There's just something about this place. We hear it all the time. Once students visit our beautiful campus in the heart of Northwest Ohio, they're sold. Why? Because Bowling Green State University offers the ultimate college experience. Our 20,000 students come here from every state and more than 70 countries. They learn and play in one of the best college towns in America, a place that feels like home. We have over 200 majors and programs and the support and resources that allow you to learn your way. BGSU also offers unforgettable study abroad experiences and hands-on classroom and field research your first year. We'll connect you with internship opportunities, and with our Falcon tuition guarantee, the amount you pay in year 1 will be the amount you pay in year 4. We also offer so many ways to grow outside of the classroom, to meet new friends, to belong. From our nationally ranked club sports teams to our hundreds of student organizations. It's all part of our BGSU promise. We promise that you will graduate on time with minimal debt, prepared for your career and for life. Our Life Design program sets us apart from other universities. Through Life Design, you can develop a personalized experience that helps you graduate, launch a successful career, and connect with more than 200,000 Falcon alumni around the world. Our entire campus community is invested in you, in your physical and mental well-being, in your success. So come see us. Find out why Bowling Green State University is the #1 university in the Midwest that students would choose again.